welcome back to my channel. I'm Raksha. So today we are going to make baby special mutton biryani. So my baby is 1 year and 2 months old, so I give a non-veg. So today I'm going to show you how to make quick mutton biryani for toddlers. Come, let's see.
So these are the ingredients which I'm adding. Some spices like cinnamon, cloves, elaichi. Then I'm adding badam here, and I have taken 3 to 4 pieces of mutton. So mutton in my place is very tender. So usually what I do is I boil along with the rice. So in case if your mutton is very hard to boil, please consider pre-cooking. I've added some ghee in the pan and fried all the ingredients. Since it is for the baby, I would like to make it a fine paste. So I am allowing them to cool down. In the other pan, I am just putting all the mutton which I have with the leftover ghee. And since it is cooled down, I am going to make this fine paste. And add some ginger garlic paste and some salt to taste. So once you add salt, it starts leaving the water. So green peas is optional, but I would love to add during the season. And this is the ground masala which I'm going to add, and it's not required to fry much because we have already fried them. I'm adding a bit of chili powder. It depends on your child. If it eats spice, you can add them. So water I have added in half glass extra, and I gave two whistles in a slow flame. So now the cooked mutton and the rice is well cooked. So if you're trying for chicken also, you can use the same recipe. So if you try for chicken, make sure you leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Consider like, share and subscribing so that you can see more food and vlog content on this channel. So see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.